Do you use tons of resin? Don't worry, I got you. Here are tons of deals I found on Amazon. This one is pretty cool because you get the gold flakes and the silver flakes. It is a 19.1 ounce kit and it's a price drop to $12.99. You don't need a code for that one. This one, it's a 16 ounce kit as well, and this one, I believe it's also a price drop. It goes down to $9.99 and you don't need a code for that one either. Remember, I'll list everything down in the description. I'll put the links for all the items down there, and if it needs a code, I'll also put that in as well. This one is really cool because you get 6 neon resin pigments with the resin and also, like, you know, the sticks and the cups. It's normally $34.99, but you know that's not what we're going to pay. For the 16 ounce, we're going to pay for the entire kit only $14 by just putting in this code. And remember, I'll put everything down in the description. Next one, if you use the UV resin, this one is listed for $14.99, but you know that's not what we're going to pay. We're going to drop the price down to $7.49 by just placing in this code. And for this last one, it's just a really good deal, so I just put that in there. It's these vacuum insulated tumblers, and their prices are really cool. Like, some of them you get 4 in there, and they're 20 ounce, I believe. You get 4 in there, and they have great reviews for only $10.91. So definitely go through them, and yeah, I think it's pretty neat. So yeah, for 4, yeah, I think it's a good price, so that's why I decided to just add this one in there. But yeah, there are really cute ones in there, and definitely check them out. And yeah, so let me know if you use tons of resin. Hopefully this helps, and run and let me know if you score.